Yep.
So why Airbnb? Why not choose another platform? I simply think Airbnb is the best. They only take 3% of your cut, which is fantastic. I mean, how many other businesses or franchises would take so little? Airbnb is very inclusive. They have a policy of not discriminating, which is very good. It's a very progressive company, and I predict it to take over the travel industry at some point. If not take over, it's going to be one of the biggest players in the industry. So, what's not to like? I think you could go with other platforms for your guest houses, but why not go with the best? I really, I simply believe that.